Think fall gardening starts when the weather cools down? Think again. Fall gardening starts long before that. Come along with me today while we refurbish two beds that we recently removed spent plants from. Let's get started. Welcome back to the Homestead. I'm Moses, and this is Urban Backyard Container Gardening. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. I appreciate you. If you're a returning subscriber, you are appreciated as well. We are standing in front of our Trumball raised bed that we recently removed our corn planting from. And we're going to go ahead and add more soil and compost to it and get it to the proper level. And we're also going to add our new sprinkler system to it from Garden in Minutes. Let's get to it. So this is some garden vegetable soil that I got from my local Big Blue store, Lowe's, and it was on sale, so I picked up me some bags to fill this bed and the other bed that we're going to do. And as I said, we're going to go ahead and add this into the bed along with some compost and some perlite and mix everything up. We got one down and one to go. This bed is completely full, and I think it's the first time that I've ever had it this high before. Now, it is going to settle during the season, but that's fine. But right now, I'm happy with the way it looks. So this is the other bed that we removed spent plants out of. This bed specifically held my kale, and we're going to go ahead and refurbish it as well. not exactly what I want in compost. So this bed is now ready as well. And next we're going to go ahead and put in the new drip systems in both. So here is the drip grid for this bed. It is a 3x4 in size. And basically all I have to do is disconnect the parts and put them together, and then I'm ready. Now, it's pretty simple. They line up as so, and then I just place the tubing on the connector. And the last one. And we place it in the bed like so. Now it comes with a extender, and I'm going to add it on here rather than in previous installations. I've just went ahead and connected. I'm going to add the extender. And then I'm going to connect it to my water supply here. And just like that, we are connected and ready to use. This bed is 3x7, so as such this one has a few more pieces to connect. So I'm connecting the two middle parts, A and B. And I'm going to connect it to one end piece here. And then we're going to connect to the last piece here. And as you can see, we now have it installed. And just like the other ones that you have seen, it is a square foot fashion. So I believe this will allow me a lot more room to plant stuff in the raised bed, so it can be fully used to its potential. And as you can see, we have the water supply connected, and all I have to do is just to screw my hose in here, and it will run, and every portion of the bed will now get watered. I believe that may have been one of the issues with the corn, that it didn't get to where I expected it to do, but we live and learn, and we'll do better in the future. And as I said, it is my goal to have all of my raised beds with this drip system eventually, except for maybe my circle beds. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we refurbish 2 raised beds and install new drip systems into both. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it brought a smile to your face and a little joy to your heart. If you haven't used the drip system by Garden in Minutes, I suggest you look into it. It is very good. I'll leave my affiliate information and discount code in the description and comment portion of the video. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. And I'll see you in the next one.